Hi, so here is another Valentine's Day themed nail. I am using this Coconut Exotic Nail Supplies acrylic mix, Teresa's and His Eyes I'm Queen silver acrylic mix, and one of my glitter mixes that was for winter time. I'm using this Alpha Brush Dulce number 8 oval. So I am applying the white acrylic coconut on all of the nails first, except the ring finger.
It's like the whole turn its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never.
I apply the glitter mix on the free edge of all the nails, and I just remove anything that is like winter spangles because I want this to be like Valentine's Day themed and not winter. And I love the cold tones iridescent glitters that's in here. Is so pretty. So I'm gonna apply this to all the nails. I apply white acrylic too, and then on the ring fingernail I apply the silver acrylic mix.
You set the fire and tone to your promised land. You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell.
All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull up to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we can break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull up to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we can break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
I got you buried deep,
In the back of my head,
'cause you got all the answers.
on the tip of my tongue,
You got a whole religion
in the palm of my hand.
if you want it bad.
Better listen now. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull up to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we can break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were.
For stamping, I'm going to use Celebration BPXL014 and this Zoya polish in the shade Ryan. I'm going to use it to stamp. I am using the images of the roses, and then I'm going to use the image that shows all the words love in different fonts. So the roses, I'm applying it to the top part of the nails by the cuticle. And as you can see here, I miss a piece of that rose, but then I go in and fix my mistake. So yeah, I'm adding the roses to the top part of all the white nails. And on this nail, I just stamped the image of the words love in different fonts. It looks so pretty. Now with the Nicole Diary liner brush, I go in with white acrylic paint and I just draw some abstract lines on the nails that has the roses stamped.
It's like the whole turn its back on us.
And here is the finished look. I did add some AB stones and it looks so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy design for Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.